Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron, and in this vlog we're going to be having our usual competition section for this month. Now, if you remember, in last month in August we were giving away this absolute cracker. It is Edard's MiG 15 1/72nd scale, and it's the Royal Class edition, so you get all that lovely goodies extra in here. Really love this kit. It's such a shame I didn't get to build it, but still I'm giving it away to you guys now. You guys really got in on this, and you've all sort of made your comments in YouTube and on the forum, but after you doing the usual random number generation program and counting down the threads, I came to Fred Watson. So congratulations, Fred Watson, you are the winner. I'll give you an email and ship this lovely kit out to you free of charge. Now, don't worry if you didn't win, because we're going to be having another competition later on. But first, I just want to sort of basically show you the latest kit release news. So, welcome to September 2018's kit release news. To start off, we have Airfix's Gloucester Meteor FR9. That is at £36.99. We've got a Supermarine Walrus Mark 1 Silver Wings. That's by Airfix, also at £36.99. We've got Great Wall Hobbies with their MiG-29 Fulcrum C, Korean People's Army Air Force. That's at £47.99. We have at £49.99 the MiG-29 AS Slovak Air Force. That is also by Great Wall Hobbies. Next up, we have a attack bomber. That is by Hasegawa at £49.99. That's the B7A2. We've got a Bristol boat fighter. That's the Mark X by Revell, and that is a brand spanking new tool for 2018, coming in at £36.99. We have got a McDonnell's Douglas F101B Voodoo. That's by Kitty Hawk Models, coming in at a nice big whopping £49.99. We've got a Douglas A4M Skyhawk by Hobby Boss. That's at £37.99. At £20.99 we have a North American F51D Mustang. That is by Airfix. And then we have a limited edition Evolution kit of jet aircraft L39 Albatross in 1/48 scale by Edard at £41.99. That one's got a load of goodies inside there. We've got a Dassault Raphael C. That's by Revell at £29.99 in 1/48 scale. We have got the nice new Victor K2 by Airfix 1/72nd scale at £59.99. That is a big kit. We have also a brand spanking new tool coming in by Great Wall Hobbies, which is the McDonnell Douglas F15E Eagle. Sorry, not the E, the F15I Eagle, which is a nice Israeli Air Force 1/72nd scale at £25.99. And that is it for kit release news here at Genessis Models for 2018 in September. And with all that latest kit release news, we have Airfix's latest magazine. We have the Model World magazine, October 2018, issue 95. Again, it's £4.60. Just going to quickly sort of go over this. What we've got here is we've got the Victor K2 1/72nd scale by Airfix coming out, so that's going to be in here. Edard's 1/48 scale Spitfire is going to be in here. All sorts of other little goodies. We've got an A5 M4. We've got some natural metal finishings and stuff. Loads of stuff to sort of really sort of get in on, and you know, new releases coming out. We've got this nice new Lancaster B3 also coming out. I've got my eye on that one, but yeah, we've got all sorts of kits and builds and intermediate builds, basic builds. One I just want to quickly show you, we've got the Rising Sun Reflections. I do like this one. It's 1/48 scale, but it's a good sort of natural metal finish jobby, which sort of goes through and talks you through you know, getting yourself a nice natural metal finish build. Really, really cool. We've got all sorts of like make your own masks and stuff as well. But yeah, loads more kind of kit builds and that inside here, and latest releases, what kits are out there. You want to check it out and sort of, you know, dive into this a bit more. Go have a look. I got this free model kit catalogue as well with this. It's from Pocket Bond 2018-2019. It's a big 144 page catalogue that comes with it as well, showing you the umpteen thousand different kits that are out there and available. So that was a nice little added extra with the Airfix magazine. So definitely always a big thumbs up for Airfix and their magazine. But now it brings us to September's competition. We've got a nice little competition here, which is for a really cool kit. I've been enjoyed myself, and that is the 1/72 scale, the Messerschmitt ME262A. Back again, really nice kit. I do like this. I love the stuff that Airfix is bringing out at the moment, and you know, why not? I mean, I'll throw you in my issue of the Airfix Model World magazine. So nice new magazine, as well as this nice new kit here by Airfix. As always, if you want to be in it to win it, all you got to do is go to the Genesis Models website, and in the forum section under competitions, there'll be competitions September 2018. Just make a post. That's all you got. Any kind of post, a comment, a bit of feedback, or just simply count me in or something to that effect, and you're just simply entered. Or on YouTube, comment down below. Anything just gets you entered, and I'll announce next month who is gonna be the winner. So sadly, you know, we've come to the end of this vlog. Hopefully you're enjoying everything that's going on here at Genesis Models. So yeah, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed. We'll be right back.